Welcome to the Department of Respiratory Therapy at Jacksonville State University. We appreciate your interest in our program. Jax State offers two pathways to the Bachelor of Science in Respiratory Therapy degree. First, our traditional or Entry into Practice program. This track is designed for students preparing to enter the field of respiratory therapy for the first time. Students train in state-of-the-art facilities housed in a completely renovated former hospital. The program consists of 5 semesters of professional level courses, following 2 years of general education and prerequisites. Our program is accredited by the Commission on Accreditation for Respiratory Care, ensuring graduates are eligible for the Certified Respiratory Therapist and Registered Respiratory Therapist credentialing exams administered by the National Board for Respiratory Care. Students in the Entry into Practice program receive training in 3 ways. Classroom instruction, where students study all areas of respiratory care in preparation for their national board exams. Laboratory training, where students gain hands-on experience in our advanced skills lab using the same equipment and supplies found in hospitals today. Clinical rotations, where students work alongside licensed respiratory therapists in healthcare facilities across the region, applying their skills directly to patient care. This combination of learning ensures graduates are confident, capable, and ready to step into the workforce. We also offer the RRT BSRT Bridge Program, a fully online degree advancement option. This program is designed for registered respiratory therapists who want to elevate their associate degree to a bachelor's level. It can be completed in as little as 3 semesters with no on-campus requirements. This flexible pathway opens the door to career advancement in leadership, education, clinical practice, and research. If you have questions, please contact our department head, Ed Goodwin, at 256-782-8496 or by email at pegoodwin@jsu.edu. You can also find us on social media through Jacksonville State University's Facebook and Instagram accounts. Respiratory therapy continues to rank among the fastest growing healthcare careers. At Jax State, our program is a recognized leader in the state. We look forward to supporting you on your journey and helping you achieve your career goals.